Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 4th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So we did hit that 78% that I was talking about this morning. We also went down and took out the previous low, so now we can move our structure down to here, which means this right here potentially would be the break of structure that would tell us that the daily and weekly is back up. Which the daily and weekly is already up, but this could just be a pullback within that uptrend. So we have a wave up, but we don't really have necessarily a break of structure. So we just want to throw a Fibonacci retracement on the last wave down. If we get any kind of a three-way pullback to any one of these Fib levels, we definitely still want to have a short bias. Just keep in mind if it does start breaking structure to the upside, this 78% from the daily could be a pretty big support area. We could get a little bit of a larger pullback right here. So if it breaks this high, move your Fib all the way up here. If it goes up and eventually breaks that high, then we'd have a continuation of the uptrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.